how to reinvest dividends on Etrade or DRIP fast. Etrade's dividend reinvestment program lets you automatically reinvest the dividends you receive from a specific company back into that company. For example, I own 1 share of Apple. I will get 23 cents each quarter as a dividend. If I enable DRIP mode, Etrade will automatically buy 23 cents worth of Apple each quarter. This is a great way to compound annual returns on your portfolio and essentially make you money without lifting a finger. Go to etrade.com and log into your portfolio. Click the top right icon that says Dividend Reinvestment. Select the portfolio you want to DRIP. If you would like to enroll any new stocks that you add in the future, click Enroll Account in DRIP. If you would like to enroll your current stocks in your portfolio into DRIP, including purchase of additional shares, scroll to the symbols in which you would like to enroll. Select the box next to the stocks you want to enroll in DRIP, then click Submit. You will see a check mark next to the stocks you selected to indicate enrollment is in progress. This will take 2 business days. To opt out of DRIP on any stock, uncheck the purple box of the stock you would like to withdraw from, and click Submit at the bottom. If you are not enrolled in DRIP, your dividends will be placed in your portfolio as cash, and you can reinvest into any stock or ETF you want. Keep it as dry powder, or withdraw as needed. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions about DRIP or Etrade's platform. As always, this is Supergirl Investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. Go be future millionaires and be happy and healthy, please. Bye. See you in the next video.